Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at a Toro battery-powered string trimmer. This one came to me in a box, in pieces. Kind of a little puzzle I got to put together. There's only 4 pieces of this puzzle, but still you got to do it the right way. You know, I kind of like doing puzzles. I'm pretty good at them. The last one that I did, it only took me a month to do it. And the box said 2 to 4 years, so I thought that was pretty good. So check out this tool we got here. This is a snap-on wire loom cutter. But you can use something out of your wife's sewing kit as well for cutting stitches. Works pretty good. If you're using a razor knife or a pocket knife to cut looms or tape or something like that, you will be thrilled to use one of these. Makes the job really easy. I think part of my interest in puzzles is that the inventor of the crossword puzzle, he used to live in this town. He lived just 3 roads down and 2 roads across. Okay. So we're trying to work out exactly where this wiring harness is supposed to lay in the case halves here. It's not that big a deal, but you gotta lay it all out and figure out where the pieces go before you can effectively repair them, right? It looks like that charging jack fits right there in the cover, and then we have that 2-prong jack that's hanging out there a little bit. We gotta figure out where that goes too. You know, another reason that I might be interested in jigsaw puzzles is that my uncle worked at a newspaper where he was on the team that created the crossword puzzles. You know, but in his whole career he only really contributed one awesome clue. So I guess he was a one-hit wonder. So now we're going to take a look at the wiring harness here where it's damaged. I think someone had this apart, and when they put it back together they pinched the wires. I don't know if the battery was replaced in here at one time or what the deal is. And there's a lot of different ways that this could be fixed. It could be done with, by soldering it, or the way I'm going to do it here with just butt connectors. If this was a mission critical piece of equipment, let's just say it was a controller for a snowplow or something like that, where the contractor he can't afford downtime, I would have replaced the whole wire and just soldered it to the board. But for this little old lady's string trimmer, I think we're going to be just fine with these butt connectors. Sadly, I just heard that the inventor of the jigsaw puzzle recently passed away. May he rest in pieces.
That was bullshit.
Yeah. Alright, we're going to strip some wires and get some butt connectors put on here. While he's working on them wires, let me tell you, the other day I found a random piece of a jigsaw puzzle in my truck. I don't know where it came from. It's a bit of a puzzle. We are heat shrinking the butt connectors on the wiring. This is going to be plenty durable repair for this battery powered string trimmer. I'm going to lay out the wiring harness here and see how it's going to fit in the case without pinching any wires. My butt connectors are a little bulky to make that turn right there, but it'll be fine. And the most protection from the butt connector is right where it needs to be on that bend. So we're going to be just fine. Now, if you thought that loom cutting tool worked good on the electrical tape, have you ever struggled with a electrical terminal trying to get it off of, the insulation off of a terminal? Check this out. So simple with this thing. Yeah, you could use a razor blade, but you could also cut your thumb open. That's it. Gotta get yourself one if you don't have one already. We're just gonna crimp this terminal because it wasn't fitting on the battery very snugly. I like all kinds of puzzles like jigsaws and crosswords, but dot to dots is where I draw the line. Okay, look at him go. Got the battery in, we're going to test fit the cover. And, they don't go together just like that all the time. Something's always not right and you got to do it twice, right? And my buddy's working on a 5,000 piece jigsaw puzzle and he is losing his mind over missing one piece. Imagine how I feel. I'm missing 4,999 pieces. Okay. Look at him go. We had to back off the screw a little bit because the switch fell out of place. The cover halves wouldn't snap together. So a Cyclops was doing a crossword puzzle the other day and asked his wife, "Hey honey, how do you spell Hawaii?" Biting her lip, she said, "I think you need 2 eyes." That's a classic. Alright, let's plug this trimmer head in and see if we got anything. I started making my own crossword puzzle, and I was struggling with a hint for the word Armageddon. And then I thought, no, well, it's not the end of the world. So that's all I got for you on the Toro battery-powered puzzle. Thanks for watching. Later.